What's up, guys? It's Pandora. How's everybody doing out there? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers all across the land. I hope you guys are having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, please, and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Happy Sunday, guys. Had to come to you guys just to show you that this system works for you even when you're not working. Okay, it's a Sunday. I'm laid back, chilling, Netflixing, and we had another productive day as usual. But wanted you to see proof of this thing. This program, you hadn't checked it out, you need to go check it out. The link is in the description. www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, you got to see what this is all about. Folks are in this opportunity and they are winning from 18 to 80. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how we're doing it, how to get the blueprint to earning online, learn and earn, digital marketing, digital education, okay, we've got it right here. So what I want to do real quick, I'm going to show you my proof that this has come in this evening, and I just got around to showing you guys. It came in a little bit earlier, but just want to show you, don't give up for the folks that are in it. Okay, focus, 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 stay consistent. You got to believe in the program. Number one, you got to believe you can do it. Number one, believe in the program, believe and trust in the process. Don't give up, keep going. Okay, even when you don't see any results, guys, keep going. Okay, so let's take a look here. I received an email, so let's take a look. Hang on. All right, so we get this email from System.io. I hadn't gotten these before. I'm not sure why I wasn't getting them before, but get an email from System.io, because that's the system that we're using, the free system that we give you, all right, to promote this opportunity. And it sent me an email. Congratulations, you made a new sale. Okay, that was about 3 hours ago. And then if we go into my System.io system, check this out. All right, you see right here on 5/12, which is today, Sunday, at 7:04 p.m., a $900 sale came in. You see I got leads coming in as well. All right, so this opportunity absolutely works if you follow the steps, the proven system, guys. All right, so check it out. Now let's go over to the community, because I know some Mother's Day dings came in with some other members of the community as well. So check this out. All right, so we're in the community. We can see right here, 900 on Mother's Day. I was just filming and got $900 came in. There was a $100 ding that came in. There was a $900 ding that came in. $100 Mother's Day. See, it says first ding on Mother's Day. Look at this, guys. People were earning today on Mother's Day. That's what I love about the automated system we have. It's gonna work for you 24/7. It doesn't get sick, doesn't take days off. If you put the information out there, right, in the marketplace, right, you put your information out there, it will be working for you while you're doing other things, right? And that's what has happened here. So this program absolutely works, and I want to show you that. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Folks are making $900, $300, $100 on this Mother's Day Sunday. And I had to share that with you, and I want to congratulate my new member, Miss Pamela. She contacted me as well when she got started, and her story is she's working a job that she absolutely don't want to be there, like 90% of the world, right? So she's ready to make a change, and that's why she got started. She went all in with this program because she wants to replace her job. with digital marketing in our proven system. So congratulations to her, and congratulations to everybody out there that has started their journey with digital marketing with this program. All right, the Legacy Builders program. So you can do it too. If they can do it, you can do it, right guys? So a daily pay online business that works for you 24/7. We just showed you proof of that, right? So you can get started. I'm gonna put the link below. You can get in where you fit in. We've got 4 different programs that you can start at. Let's take a look here so you can decide what you want to do. I'm not here to convince you, right? I'm just giving you the information. So here are the 4 programs, okay? So come down here. You're going to see the $900 Legacy Builders program. If you want to go all in with Legacy Builders, it'll be one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. This is not network marketing. It's not MLM. One-time payment to buy your program. It'll be $929. $29 goes to the company for your website and your system. $900 will come to me, right? That's the $900, and you get all 4 income streams. All right, but if that's a little bit too much for you, we offer payment plans too, by the way. You got 8 bonuses you're going to get here. Doesn't matter which program you get in, you get those 8 bonuses. But if that's a little too much, the $900, guess what? We have the $600 Digital Mastery program. This is not a course also. Let me mention that. It's a program. I like to call it a classroom style program because you get your curriculum. You know day to day what you're going to get. Not only that, you're getting Zooms and mentoring here live. Okay? So we've got the Digital Mastery. Okay? That's $629, and that will give you 3 income streams, the $100, $300, and the $600. Then we have the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. It's going to be $329. You get 2 income streams with that one. Or we have the Launch Pad, okay, where you can start out for $129, guys. And you can always upgrade if you want to do that as well. So get in where you fit in. All of these will come with payment plans for the U.S. only. If you're interested in funding your future through the payment plans, you can do that. But you're going to love this because with this program, you're going to get interactive, right? That's the difference. Interactive training. You're going to have a thriving community, by the way, to help you along the way. We've got real-time live mentoring here. Engage in interactive Zoom sessions. Okay, that's the game changer for this program versus the courses that you get out there that will be just sitting in your dashboard and you kind of on your own, right, to learn this stuff, but no support, no live training, no mentoring. And then also you get access to the replays. If you can't make the live Zooms and training, it'll be recorded and put into the community, and you can go back and watch it at any point in time. And guess what else, guys, which is so amazing, and that's how I got this sale as well. Miss Pam mentioned to me that she saw the webinar I posted. I posted the webinar. She watched my video, and then she watched the webinar, and it explained the program. And she decided to go all in with the Legacy program for $900. So that's what happened to me today. These webinars are amazing. All you got to do is share the webinars, guys. It explains the program for you to people so that they can understand what's going on from A to Z, right? So that's what happened today. Like I said, you get live interactive mentoring. This is unheard of in this industry. All right, so go check it out. Not going to keep you, just wanted to bring that to you for this Mother's Day. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'm going to leave the last webinar that we had on Friday in the description. Go check it out. Watch it, guys. Take notes. If you have any questions, let me know, but go check it out. It should answer all of those questions. All right. And I look forward to you joining the tribe. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.